let's take a look at the new headsets I just got, the Nari Essentials, the Razer. They're not quite new, but they're inexpensive 7.1 wireless headsets. So let's go ahead and open them up and see what you get when you purchase something like this, all right? Separated from the box is one tape. Other than that, the box looks nice and neat. If you can see the module in the center for the USB, that's where it's going to be connected to your PlayStation. Take a look at this monstrosity. So opened it up right now. Looks nice and neat. We're going to try it out with the PlayStation 5. I'm excited to try it out because they're very comfortable. So we're going to put this on my PlayStation 5, and I got my USB in here, and we're going to see if it picks up. So there's a connection. So I made the connection there. My USB's right here, so push it in, and then you guys can see it. Nice little setup, very comfortable. Right now, we're going to take all the plastics off, of course. They're supposed to be a lot better than others head set up. I like it that it's very comfortable. You guys can see it turns off and on when you guys put them on. The headset, the module, the receivers here for the actual audio. So before I even go, the audio up and down, all right, plus and negative, all right, and then you have the little power button here, and of course you got to actually recharge them, and the charging station is right there. If you guys can see it, it's just let me see if I can get some lighting in there. The charging is